Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word lashed. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The storm lashed the coast with powerful winds and heavy rain. In this context, lashed means to strike repeatedly with a sharp or strong force, typically in a violent or aggressive manner, as in the storm's fierce impact on the coast. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.